Today, we're going to dive into how to install Fortnite on your Android device using the Epic Games Store. It's pretty straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Epic Games website, epicgames.com. Find Install button and tap on it. It's usually at the top of the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the APK file. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded APK file. You might get a warning about installing from unknown sources. Just confirm the installation. Wait for the Epic Games Store to install. Find the Epic Games Store app on your home screen or app drawer. Open the app. Sign in to your Epic Games account or create a new one. Find Fortnite in the Epic Games Store. Click on the Install button. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the APK file. You will need to allow permission for Epic Games to install Fortnite on your device. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, let's find Fortnite on our home screen. Because of a screen recording, my game is show like this on phone. You just need to rotate your phone on a side and game will be in the full screen mode. Wait for the download and installation to complete. And that's how you can install Fortnite on your Android device using the Epic Games Store. Here are some tips. If you encounter any issues, double-check the steps and make sure you've enabled Install Unknown Apps. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the download. If the game doesn't launch, try restarting your device. Keep your Epic Games Store and Fortnite updated for the best experience. It's pretty simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.